Hey you guys, back with another video. I'm cooking me just a little omelet here. Let me cook my skillet up. And I chopped up some of this turkey. Oh boy. One slice of provolone cheese I'm gonna add to it. So how's your day going? Mine is going well so far. Sweet potatoes. Over here, this is my chicken that I have soaking in this little dish here. So I'm gonna make some baked chicken wings. And these are my 2 plants. I'm gonna go put these on my patio. See the leaves turning brown on that one? So I'm gonna put these on my patio. Okay, you guys. I hope you all can see me. I'm gonna put you back where I had you. Okay. Black pepper. Garlic. What is this? A little garlic salt. Okay, I'm gonna let that cook, you guys. I was also cleaning and stuff. I had to clean my garbage lid and everything. So I finna rest this chicken and season it, you guys, and I will be back. Can you guys see me? I hope so. I'm being shh, cause Bink's asleep. She's snoring. I'm finna go in here and check my mailbox. Nope, there's nothing out there. It's in my neighbor's mailbox, it looked like. So